Hi guys, and we're gonna play the candy obby. Look at this candy cane. Ooh, yummy! So yeah, let's go. Okay, where's the entrance? Okay, there's the entrance. See you in the obby channel. Guys, we're in the obby. So let's go. Yep. Okay, I made a challenge for myself is to not die in this obby, or else I'll get a punishment, like a worse punishment than the worst. I'm on stage 2, so let's do this. And do not die in this obby. Ooh, I nearly died because of that lag. It's so laggy. It's so laggy. Yo. Oh, Oreos. Oreos. I love Oreos. Nah. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this. Skittles! I love Skittles! I really love Skittles. But by the way, I'll continue with this obby. See you guys in the stage 6. No, cool! I'm on it. Cereal. Oh, and this is Fruity Pebbles. Yeah. I hate that. Okay. Ooh, wait, what is this? Twizzler. Can you just check it in Google? Let me just check. See you in Google, guys. And this is Twizzlers. Oh, it's a candy that is like sticky. I have no idea. What is this? Where can you find this? Twizzlers, Thailand, because I'm Thai. Thailand. Hey, I spelled it wrong. Do they have in Thailand? I think no. And I don't mind if they have in Thailand or not. See you in the obby. Okay. On Twizzlers. I died. No! I got a punishment. I'll get a punishment for this if I died in this obby. Oh my gosh. For now, I'm not going to do like some gaming bits because it's like boring and stuff like that. And I'm going to do like some DIY, like if you've seen my like mixing all the water that I buy, and I got like about like 20 views already. So I'm going to do it again. I'll do like some gamings like sometimes, but not like so much of game. Okay, stage 9. Not bad. Popsicles and popsicles. I love ice cream. I'm standing on the ice cream. How amazing that is. What in the world is this? Is this a pumpkin candy that you like use in Halloween? Is it? Yes. Okay. Ooh, I died. Sorry. 2 punishment for me. Yeah. Hey, do not lie down on the floor, please. I'm on the obby. Oh, laggy. This is so laggy. It's so laggy. It's so laggy. Wait. See you guys. I'm eating my breakfast. And now, I've just finished my breakfast. Okay, onto the pumpkin. Ugh. I'm on stage 10, by the way. Bananas. Ugh. Bananas. Ugh. Chocolate. What is this? So you just run. Ugh. So you just run. That's all. This is so easy. Really? Oh my gosh. So easy. Ice cream and ice cream and ice cream and ice cream. Ice cream and ice cream and ice cream and ice cream. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Watermelon. Watermelon. Hey. Yes. Watermelon. Okay. What is this? Milk? I guess. Milk pudding? Pudding? I guess. Ugh, I'm so busy. I love you. Chocolates. I guess. Okay. I'm so bored of my life. Ugh. Okay. See you in the next 3 stage. Yeah, bluebird. I hate peanut butter. I love honey. Candy cane, and candy cane, and candy cane. So, which is the final stage? I want to know. See you on the stage 25. Yep. I love Hershey. And I'm on stage 25, which is the last stage. I guess. Okay. Yep, and hey. By the way, this is a lollipop. I guess. Okay. No, it's not the last stage. No, it's not the last stage. No. It's not the last stage. I wish it's the. It's actually the last stage. Yes, and we're here. Oh my goodness. Is this the guy from the Adventure Time? Is it? I forgot. Okay. This is the guy. Wait, this is the guy from the cartoon called Adventure Time. Yeah. And also this guy. Okay. Green path. I forgot how to use this. I didn't even use. Oh, is this how to use? So easy. Okay, no bad. Okay. See you guys in the next bit. Okay, I done.